I see a plane coming right over there. If the camera will even focus. Hocus pocus. Docus mocus. Yes, it worked. They actually worked. No, kind of. Look at it. You can see the two lines on it. I wonder what plane that is. Let's wait for it to go. This is literally the first plane that I've seen coming, approaching. That is fast. It's a little plane, isn't it? Oh God. Where is it? Oh, it is. Really? I came here for that. Are you serious right now? I'm wondering what. Oh, that's Air Canada. Never mind. Look at that. Turn the camera sideways. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where is it? Look at that. That's some cool shot. Oh, it's taking off. It's taking off. The plane is taking off. Let's see if we can catch anything on the way back. Cars. Because I already caught an MD-11, so... Actually, two. I caught two MD-11s. Close enough we are. There is Air Canada. Why is it over there, though? It's not getting retired or anything, right? Oh, there's a lot of planes there.
Turn left.
Toronto Pearson International Airport. Anything there? You guys seeing anything? Probably just a black wall. Oh, there's the airport thingies. Oh, there's a plane, I think. Is it over there? Is it over there? Oh, there's a Delta. There's a Delta plane taking off over there. Wait, what's that? Oh, there's the thingies. You know the thingies on the plane that indicates if it's to left or right. There's Air Canada Corporation, I think. I want to see the UPS thing again. IDK, why there's a plane there. Like and subscribe if you saw the Air Transat plane. Oh, there's the airport again. Right there. Oh, the fence is blocking it. Can't really see anything right now. Just cars passing by. FedEx! Look at all the FedExes. I wanna see the I wanna see all the plane. Oh, FedEx. Oh, there's a plane. Air Canada. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.